Watch this, every click triggers a massive particle explosion. Built entirely in Java, this effect uses glow, motion trails, and physics to create stunning visuals. Let's see how it works. Let's quickly break down how this particle explosion animation works. We start with a J-panel called Particle Explosion Demo, and inside it we define a small particle class. Each particle stores its position, velocity, remaining life, and color. We keep all particles in an array list. In the constructor, we set a dark background and add a mouse listener. Whenever we press the mouse, we call createExplosion at that position. This method spawns around 260 particles. For each one, we pick a random angle and speed, convert that into an x and y velocity, give it a random lifetime, and choose a bright HSB color. All those particles get added to the list. Next, a swing timer runs at 60 frames per second. On each tick, we call update particles and repaint. The update step subtracts from the particle's life, applies gravity to the vertical velocity, and then moves the particle by its velocity times dt. If a particle's life goes to 0, we remove it. That's our simple physics engine. The cool look comes from Paint component. We render everything into an off-screen buffered image called trail image. Before drawing the new frame, we draw a nearly transparent black rectangle over the old image. That slowly fades previous frames instead of deleting them immediately, which creates smooth motion trails. For each particle, we compute how much life it has left and use that as alpha. Then we draw a radial gradient, a bright inner color fading to transparent at the edges, plus a small white core. This gives us the glowing bloom effect. Finally, we draw the background gradient and then the trail image onto the screen. The main method just creates an 800 by 450 window, adds our panel, and shows it. The result is a fully interactive Java 2D particle system. Click anywhere, and you get a cinematic explosion with glow and motion trails. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this visual project, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing Java animations.